one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. The days have felt full. Your mind has tried to carry too much at once. And there are moments when time seems to be rushing past you. Instead of feeling steady and in control, life feels pressured by everything that needs to be done, everything that remains unsolved and not within your reach. But the Lord is calling you back to this day. He's calling you back to an awareness of His grace that is present for this day. For the Lord says, I give to you each day the grace that is needed. I call you to walk forward one day at a time, not to try to solve everything now, not to try to bring everything under control now, but know that I am the Lord who is with you. I'm giving you the wisdom, the grace and the strength which are needed for this day. I'm giving you the empowerment that is needed for this moment. Don't be afraid. Don't allow the things which need to be done to overwhelm you, but enter my rest and know that I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who gives you the grace and strength for each new day. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.